Hey YouTube, it's Justin the Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today?
So we living life like a video where the sun is always out and you never get old, and the champagne's always cold and the music's always good.
So, have you ever wondered what this is and how it comes in pieces? Do you want to know how to put it together? What this is a kind of a machinist clamp from Saunders Machine Works, NYC. It's the same place I got the thing for the mill from. I also bought this. It's a pretty cool, what this thing is it's just a clamping system. So you can, you know, clamp parts down there. Usually these things are pretty fucking expensive for some nice ones here. This clamp is actually really nice. So I'm just going to show you guys how to put this thing together. Here, I got two more to put together. I'm going to show you one, and we'll go from there. But I just want to give a shout out to this dude of NYC, Saunders. I like this little fucking clamp, and I could tell that I could have bought them put together, but I thought it'd be more fun to put together the shit by myself. Kind of like how AVE does with the rulers. This guy, John Saunders, over at NYC, I believe that's his fucking name, John Saunders. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this fucking cool-ass fucking clamp together. You can use these for all types of shit, welding stuff or whatever. But I got it basically for the mill. I got a whole bunch of stuff coming up for the mill. I bought a new toolbox, and I'm going to review that. Kind of more in-depth review, prosumer toolbox. Look for that coming up in the near future. And I'm going to show you all the machinist tooling and all that stuff that I got. This is just the first part of it. So, without further ado, let's get in there and put this motherfucker together. So, how this thing comes is it comes all in fucking pieces. So, what you want to do is screw this on, this first. The one with the threaded hole, kind of on there. You want to screw it about halfway down. You can tell it's great machine work because the shit just fucking falls together. Okay, so then you get these two things. You put one, oh, you got it, no, hold on. All right, you're supposed to grab the gold washer. You put that down over there. You put this on over there. Okay, then you got this little clip. And I got these engineering C-clip pliers. These things are actually pretty fucking cool. So then what you do is you slide this on there like that. I did this other one. So now you got the clip on, okay? You want this halfway down, like I said. So you put this like this. Alright. You take this one and you put it up here with your bigger hole. Put this one down here like that. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Then you take the shorter brass thing. Alright, you put that in there. Now, if you want all the screws facing the same way, like all the screw heads, if you're fucking anal, hold on, let's put a little Loctite on this. Remember, dip your Loctite, fellas. Alrighty. Then you gotta pick this thing up, just like this. Roll this over, put your washer on, tighten your screw up, just a little bit. Okay. Alrighty, now, again, if you want the Saunders machine to be out, okay, you put that facing down. You put this over here, and you put that like that. Then you take your adjustable rod thingies, or your spacers, okay, another dip and Loctite. Now, these don't have bolts. Oh, shit, got ahead of myself. These don't have bolts, so you just come across here, or they don't have nuts. These things take like no time to put together, and they're pretty fucking sweet. Forgot the Loctite. I'm using blue Loctite. It looks like they had these assembled, and I don't think that you need blue Loctite. And it's a 1/8 Allen wrench is what you need. I think blue Loctite is good enough. Alright, then you take your thicker of the two. Okay, a little more Loctite. It has a longer Allen. Screw that down. See, it's got Loctite on it. Alright, now what you want to do is just hold this and tighten it up just a little bit, just so this spins a little bit free. I like it a little more snug. Alright, same thing on the bottom. Oop, too tight, too tight. That's where you want to use Loctite on this. Alright, then what you do is, I wouldn't recommend putting Loctite on this, but this is this thing. You take these little brass thumb screws, put those on there. That way you could take this off, and if you had to, you could put a nut on there. And that's the clamp right there. Like I said, I really like this dude. He has ultra fast shipping. I mean, this guy does not joke around on the shipping stuff and all that type of shit. But I just thought I'd like to show you how I put these clamps together and all that stuff. They're pretty cool. Like I said, he's got them, you know, powder coated, finished here, nice little parts, and the shit works real nice. So like always, guys, you know, I will roll a card to his channel up there if you guys want to buy one. It's Saunders Machine Works, but it's NYC CNC is the name of his YouTube channel. I'll roll that card up there. You guys know the deal. Check out my Patreon account. Check out the SnapOnJunkie.com. Check out the online tool vendors.com. If you want to help support this channel and don't want to become a Patreon, go over there and use that Amazon link. Every little bit helps. And we could use a lot of help because we got that mill. We're going to need some end mills, all right? Because I have a feeling we're going to break some. You know, check out Facebook, Instagram, all that jazz. You know what I'm saying? And like always, thanks for watching. And I got to fucking